Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about one really simple thing, that is how to create math operation in Axure RP9. Okay, so what we're going to do and to use are just a couple of input fields, one select box, and that's it. So if you are interested into it, please consider the possibility to subscribe to my channel, to smash the like button, and please activate the icon bell, because if I will upload a new video on this, you shouldn't absolutely miss it. Okay, so let's get started. And so here we are in Axure RP9. So as you can see on the screen, I already created the elements that we need for the scope of the tutorial. So as you can see, these are two input fields, and this is a select box where I basically insert all the basic math signs. Okay, so the first thing that we have to do is just to create a couple of global variables where to store basically the numbers that we are going to input. Okay, how can we do that? Simply just select one of the input fields and say on text change, set variable value of what? We are going to add a new variable called like n1. Okay, I choose this variable and I say that the value, okay, should be a text on widget this. Okay, perfect. And we do exactly the same thing. We copy paste this text change on the n2. Okay, we do this, and of course we should change the variable. Okay, so I add a variable, another one that I will call it n2. I apply this n2 to the input field, and that's it. Okay, so this is what we have just to create our variable that we are going to use. Now, selecting the select box, what we're going to do is to add another interaction, and on selection change, okay, what we have to do here is to set the text of the total equal to the text, and here on the fx we're going to add the two variables, so n1 plus n2. Okay, really simple. Of course, this, as you can see, is for n1 plus n2. Okay, so we have to do this case by case with the case editor for each math signs. Okay, so for the first one, we're going to enable the cases, and we say if the selected option of this, so the select box, is equal to plus, so do that. Now I copy paste this, and if the selected option is equal to minus, we're going to set the text equal to n1 minus n2. We do the same for all the others. So if it's equal to these signs, we are going to divide n1 on n2, and we're going to multiply for the last one. Okay, if the sign is this one, okay, we're going to multiply, so, and we use the asterisks to multiply. And these here are all the cases that we need on selection change of the select box. So each time that we are going to change the signs inside here, basically it does the operation. Okay, let's go to the preview to see how it works. Okay, so preview, voila. So if I put 1 here plus 8, for example, and I change the operation here, as you can see the results, it works. Okay, so now if I change 1 minus 8, it's equal to -7, 1 plus 8 equal to 9, etc. But if I change, you know, the just the numbers, the result doesn't change. So what we have to do is really simple to make it more fluid, so that every time that I change basically the text, it changes also the result. We're going back to Axure. So here basically the only thing that we have to do is to add another action that is fire event. Okay, what we have to fire? But really simple. We have to fire the math, okay, here, and on which events on selection change. What does it mean? It means that every time that basically the text changes into the input field on this input field, not only I'm going to create the variable, but I'm also triggering the selection change action, okay? So this I just copy paste it also on the second one, on N2, and let's go to the preview to see how it works. So oh voila. So you see that basically already now that I put a number inside, already changed, okay, the results. So if I put 5, I do minus, I change, I put 9 here. So you see that basically the results changes at the change of the text, okay? And basically this is it for this video. So it was really quick. I hope you enjoyed it, and so please subscribe, smash the like button and click on the bell so you will not miss another amazing video. Okay, bye.